Everlove TV right here, never do the Winneba. And you talk Winneba, never Winneba, talk Everlove TV, never do the Aboakyer Festival, Aboakyer Festival, red. You can red in here. You can one me where you get a chore. You can get a chore. You can Saturday morning. We get a bama abale bichaya akoko dogwina guana akoko. This is the festival that is having a very great competition between the two functions. This is the white side and then we have the red side. These two functions are going to go into the booth tomorrow to carry that very dear tour. The festival celebration. So Everlove TV, remember to subscribe to our channel and be part of this great fun because we are here to bring you everything exclusive from Aboakyer Winneba. Thank you. Follow that. This is the white. So after this one, they are going to display their gods for exhibition so that tomorrow they will be able to do whatever they want to do tomorrow. So this is the white. After here, we go in for the red. Red will also come out. Definitely also display their gods to show how strengthful they are, how big they are, how they will be able to bring the deer tomorrow for the festival beginning. Thank you.
I get you.